In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the invoice template in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or just looking to give your invoices a fresh look, we'll walk through each step on how to customize them to match your business's style and branding. Let's dive right in. First things first, navigate to QuickBooks Online. If you haven't yet set up an account, you'll want to do so now. For those of you who already have an account, simply click on the Sign In button to access your profile. Ensure you're entering your correct credentials and click Continue to proceed. Once logged in, you'll need to select the company file associated with the invoices you want to modify. Now you're ready to begin personalizing your invoice template. Next, go to the Settings icon, usually found in the top right corner of your dashboard. Clicking on Settings will reveal more options. From there, select Custom Form Styles. This is the section where you can manage how your invoices and other forms look. To create a new template, click New Style, and then select Invoice from the drop-down menu. This opens the Invoice Template Editor, a powerful tool that allows for complete customization of your layout to fit your branding needs. Adjusting your design couldn't be easier. Under the Design tab, choose a template style that suits your business image. Go ahead and upload your company logo if you haven't already done so, and play around with the colors, fonts, and sizes until you're satisfied. The responsive editor allows for immediate preview of changes on the right side, helping you see how your modifications will look when they go live. Once you're happy with the design aspect, switch over to the Content tab. This is where you can edit the details that are specifically visible on your invoices. Tweak the header, table, and footer sections. You might want to add or rearrange fields to include payment terms or any special messages for your customers. This added personal touch can enhance customer interaction through clear communication. Don't forget to configure the email options next. Customize the subject line and message in the Emails tab. This is what your clients see when they receive your invoices, so it's a great place to reinforce your branding with personalized messages or payment instructions. After completing the customization, give your template a name. Something descriptive like Branded Invoice Template 2025. Which makes it easy to identify later. Click Done to save all your hard work. In the future, you can return to custom form styles to edit, delete, or even duplicate templates as your business evolves. This space is meant to grow with you, adapting as your styling needs change over time. Finally, applying your custom template is straightforward. When you're ready to create an invoice, simply use the Customize dropdown at the bottom of your invoice screen and select your newly created template before sending it out to your customers. And there you have it. You've now successfully updated your invoice template in QuickBooks Online. Thank you for joining me today. Keep experimenting with styles to find what works best